people who are learning music to sing some songs. Instead of actually singing in a small corner, we thought, let us actually give them a stage and let them perform on the stage. The idea behind this is actually most of the singers today are beginning or intermediate level. We want people to give constructive criticism and encourage people to encourage us to perform like in the future. In many of their music teachers and stuff, we want the constructive criticism. There are about 12 singers in the case lined up. They are accompanied by 2 seasoned mridangis.
Excuse me, sir.
Arya Srikanth, you already know, he's been playing mridangam for many years. Srikanth Ramachandran, he's playing mridangam for many years. He had taken a pause for a few years, and in America again he had started back playing mridangam, and he is giving almost quite a few performances on every year. So recently he performed also in the Indian Embassy in Washington DC. The next mridangist is actually Kumar Swami in the Kitti Sandhikla, Vasanta Kitti Sandhikla Kumar Swami. He is also very well seasoned mridangist, and I want to thank Kumar Swami also on this occasion for coming all the way from Mysore, and he also brought the mridanga with him, and I want his actually blessings also for all the kids and give their input also. With that introduction, we're going to start the Sangeeta Milan series today. Arya Srikanth will be starting with the Shamale Meenakshi, right? First Sri Ramanam, Adana to Shamale Meenakshi by Muthuswami Dikshita.
Good job, Arya. This was his first stage performance. Give him a big applause. Good job, sir. And next performer would be Shreya Sriram.
Giriraja Sudha Tanaya Sadaya Giriraja Sudha Tanaya Sadaya Giriraja Sudha Tanaya तनय सदया गिरिराज सुधा तनय सदया गिरिराज सुधा तनय सदया गिरिराज सुधा तनय सदया गिरिराज सुधा तनय सुरनाद मुख श्रुतप दयुग सुरनाद मुख श्रुतप दयुग परिपालय मां निपराजनुत सुरनाद मुख श्रुतप दयुग सुरनाद मुख श्रुतप दयुग परिपालय मां निपराजनुत गिरिराज सुधा तनय गणना दपर परशंकर गणना दपर परशंकर गमवारिदिनी रजनी इकरा गमवारिदिनी रजनी इकरा पनिराज कनवेग ननिवा पनिराज कनवेग ननिवा रण सांभव श्री त्यागराजनुत पनिराज कनवेग ननिवा पनिराज कनवेग ननिवा रण सांभव श्री त्यागराजनुत गिरिराज सुधा तनय सदया गिरिराज सुधा तनय ಅಜೂ ಚೂಟಕು ಬೇಯಲ್ಲ ರಾರಮ ಪಜೂ 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 ಚೂಟಕು ಬೇಯಲ್ಲ ರಾರಮ ಕೃಪಜೂ ಚೂಟಕು ಬೇಯಲ್ಲ ರಾರಮ ಕೃಪಜೂ ಚೂಟಕು ಬೇಯಲ್ಲ ರಾರಮ ಕೃಪಜೂ ಚೂಟಕು अपराध अपराध मुननोर्व वसम अपराध मुननोर्व वसम ಎನ್ನಬೋಗವೇ ಸರ್ವಾ ರಿಲಲ್ಲೋ ಎನ್ನಬೋಗವೇ ಸರ್ವಾ ರಿಲಲ್ಲೋ ಎನ್ನಬೋಗವೇ ಸರ್ವಾ ರಿಲಲ್ಲೋ ಎನ್ನಬೋಗವೇ परमार्थमौ मार्ग मेरुगरु परमार्थमौ मार्ग मेरुगरु प्रभुवुलल्ल नीज सेव कुलुरा प्रभुवुलल्ल नीज सेव कुलुरा परलोक परलोक भयमल्तगन्नारु परलोक भयमल्तगन्नारु परत्याग जय हृ सदन परत्याग जय हृ सदन परत्याग जय हृ सदन परत्याग जय हृ सदन पजु चूटकु वेयेल रारमाग भजु चूटकु
She'll be singing Nayana Manohara Rupane Benaka in Tilang.
शिवपुत्रं शिवगणराजं वक्रतुण्डं विनायकं विद्याधिपते नमो नमः विद्याधिपते नमो नमः नयन मनो